Here's a close-up of the Exceed Lip setup. So my car is up on the lift right now doing an alignment, and as you can see how flat this lip is, where you can actually apply or install the splitter right under it, and it mounts really nice. I did add the weather stripping right here just to close the gap. If you guys are wondering, do you need to add the splitter little weather stripping right here? You don't want air going under your splitter because the purpose of the splitter is to create downforce. If the air goes through it, kind of defeats the purpose. But the curvature of this lip is super nice, dude. It follows the OEM. This is actually the OEM Type R curvature, and then it kicks out. And then instead of doing a 3-inch splitter from race bred, I did a 2-inch because if you look at it from the side right here, it sticks out like a snow plow. So just be careful when you have an Exceed Lip and you try to order a race bred splitter or you make your own splitter. You got to go, you know, a little bit more conservative on how much it pops out. And then I added this little side spats right here to prevent the air from hitting the tire right here. So just a quick update on this thing, since I was like, yeah, you know what, this is kind of cool because you can see way under right here, and that's how it's mounted. It's chassis mounted straight to the frame rails right here on the Integra.